What is going on, everybody? It is Tyler Creates. Welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be doing how to clean leather with Griot's leather cleaning products. We got their leather 3-in-1 cleaner and their interior cleaner here. So just going to do a quick video on how to clean it and how to condition it and do it properly. And yeah, so we're going to jump right into it. There will be links down in the description to these things here. And if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like. Helps me out a lot and it makes the algorithm super happy. So we're going to jump right into it. We have the Griot's interior cleaner. This is good on upholstery and vinyl and all the stuff that would really be in a car. And then this is a cleaner and conditioner, kind of a mix, and protects, but I want to do a cleaner first and then apply this, and then we'll just go from there. I got gloves, 3 gloves. I'm not sure why I have 3 gloves. I got the Trinova brush here. Leather cleaning brush, specifically got this one. Trinova has pretty good products. Figured I'd switch it up a teeny bit. Alrighty, everybody, this angle may be a little funky, so what we're going to be doing is this side we're going to be cleaning, and this side we're not going to be cleaning. Afterwards, obviously, I'll clean the seat. We'll also be doing the door panel to show you guys that it works on other stuff besides leather. But this side, as you can see, all these creases, this is all dirt and from being slid in and out of. So first, we're going to take the Trinova cleaning brush, set that down there. We're going to spray on there like that. We're going to take the brush, start working it in. Like so. Want to make sure you get in the cracks here. You'll notice that this brush is these bristles are pretty flimsy. It's because you don't want to damage the leather when you're cleaning it. Obviously, that would suck. So, spray a little bit more on there. Shake the product. Set that back down there. Continue to scrub. There we go. Now we're getting a little bit of foaming action. We're going to do one last pass. We'll do 3 passes. Ooh, this thing's a little bit too much there. That's alright. It hit the steering wheel and made it a little bit more of a... And I'm not pressing really hard, by the way. I'm just kind of working it in there. This has never been done to these seats. That's why they're not wanting really to clean very well. So you can definitely see though that they are this is going to be nice to see afterwards. So I got this just towel here. I'm going to wipe it off. You got to make sure you wipe this off real well. You don't want it messing with the applicator protectant, so you want to make sure you wipe it off really well. As you can see, that is dirty. And when I'm doing this, I am pressing a little harder. I really want to get down in the cracks. And you kind of, if the cracks are like this, you want to spread them out with your hand. This is kind of folded over itself, so you want to spread it out, get down in there. And it might be a good idea, depending on how dirty your car is, to hit it with a vacuum. Just depends on how in depth you want to go with it. If you have a nice car, first vacuuming wouldn't be too bad, like these cracks here. Alrighty, I'm going to do one more pass. This will make 4 because it's definitely dirty. If you like videos like this, want to see some more of them, head over to the channel. Got videos like this coming out all the time, every week about. I do every week. It allows me to edit the videos, make them nicer, higher quality, better edits, rather than pumping content out. Because at the end of the day, I want to do this and enjoy it, not do it for views and money. That's part of it, but it's definitely not, you know, my main goal. do enjoy doing this kind of stuff, so. And the reason I have that divider there is so you guys can see how different it is, so you know that I'm not, lying or that it didn't work. You might even be able to see it in the camera. It definitely looks a lot cleaner. And this is just the leather. This isn't anything else. So look at that. You guys can't see it because it's a little blown out, but that is dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down in there. Okay, so now we're gonna do an applicator. Got the applicator here. Good old Griot's. Stick that back down. Actually, I don't know how to open this, so you're gonna open the top like that. It's got a little cap on it. You'll want to take this off before you have gloves on. It's kind of hard to get off, but it does come off there. We're gonna go ahead and set this down on the floorboard. Oh, that's okay, it flipped over. And it says to give the product a shake, so I'm gonna shake it pretty good. Okay, get it all down to the bottom. Take the cap off. Good to go. It says just a little dollop, so I'm just gonna do like ooh, that was a little bit too much. I'm gonna play it smart and put the cap back on this just in case it spills. That would really suck. And now I'm just gonna work this in to the leather. It smells really good. It actually smells like natural leather. Doesn't smell super, chemically. I'm sure some products probably smell quite horrible, so this definitely smells good. It will be interesting to see the difference on this. I'm sure there will be one because this was dirty. Had it been me, well, I would have probably done about 4 what I did there. That's about right for, Okay. Now I'm going to get this green microfiber, wipe the rest off, the leftover residue. That's what it says on the bottle, so I'm gonna do what they say because they put lots of R&D, research and development, into this stuff, and their way is probably going to be the best way. Sure, there's little corks here and there, but now you can definitely tell much smoother. It feels cleaner. It actually feels cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel the tape off. I can grab it with these stinking gloves. The gloves are nice to keep your hands clean, but they're not nice for just about anything else. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it. That's pretty wild. Wow. You really can see that. There's some cleaning product, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off. You might even be able to see it from there. Look at that nice hard line right there. You guys can definitely see that. Look at that line right there. I got the ISO turned up a teeny bit, but that is crazy, man. So you can definitely see the difference there. That is wild. That's pretty crazy. So there's that side and that. A lot brighter. You'll notice that the cracks in between the dark spots are cleaner. And then over there they're super dirty. And then that's where the tape was, but that is insane. You can definitely tell that it cleaned it really good. Even that right there versus that. That is sweet. You can see the hard line. That's so funny. You can see that. That's pretty crazy that you can see that well. I can see it that good. It's a little darker, but that's pretty cool. I can see that, but you guys can. Definitely Much cleaner though. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that seat and then we'll move on to the door. Alrighty, we're back. Sadly, my microfiber fell in the dirt, but this side's okay. It's just got a couple little thingies on it. Yes, I will be throwing this away afterwards because that sucks. Okay, now that you guys are there, we'll go ahead and scrub this. This right here is the tape. I need to pull that back a teeny bit. If your doors don't want to stay open, I just took my tape roll and stuck it in the door jamb, keep the door open. So you can see in the time that I've scrubbed, almost all the dirt that was in the leather has come out. See, that right there is actual dirt. The black stuff, not supposed to be there. You can see how long it takes to get it out, and this is still wet with solution as well. So, and you can tell when I wipe it off that the leather is dry. It's actually like dry, and you can see the leather will soak this stuff up. It's porous, so it's of course going to soak it up decently, like not too long. You want to wipe it off. You could let it sit just a teeny bit, like 10 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, maybe let it soak in. But we'll go ahead and take the tape off, and I'm sure you'll be able to see a definite line. I know I can see it. I kind of did that in a bad spot, but that's okay. I'm trying to not let the door hit you guys as well. You can see it right through. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it on there, right through here. And you can feel it. I'll take my gloves off here. Sweet, sweaty hands. You can feel. It's nice and smooth. It feels like leather again. My hands are a little sweaty. But it actually feels like leather. Whereas this is... Look at the difference here. I mean, you can hear that versus... Like... See how the leather's not pushing? See how the leather is pushing? You guys can see how the leather here is pushing when I drag my finger across it, and then over here it's not. Teeny bit right there. Not really though, actually. Oh, that's just part of the leather. But you can see. Way different. Nice and dirty right there. So I'm gonna finish this door up. Links in the description. Again, like the video if it was helpful. Basically do this to your whole vehicle. I'll also have down in the description for like vinyl and plastics. This stuff does work on that, the cleaner, but I have Meguiar's protectant for this, but I'm not going to do that right now. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. Go do it to your car. Take your time. It does help, I've noticed, to let the solution sit for like 30 seconds. Make sure it doesn't dry out. Don't do it in the sun. Stuff like that, you definitely don't want to do it in the sun. Make sure your interior is not boiling hot either. Probably not too good for the leather to be, you know, 80 or over 100 degrees, and then for you to spray solvent on there. Not too good for it, so just make sure you do it properly. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, or you can do a quick Google search. Pretty simple though, so. Yeah, other than that, this has been Tyler Crates. May the Lord bless you and watch over you in all your ways. And yeah, peace out. God bless.